Welcome, my name is Stephanie from Southern Prairie Library System, and this is lesson 1 of our Welcome to Microsoft Word class. The class will consist of 5 lessons in total. And this class is brought to you in partnership with Southern Prairie Library System, Great Plains Literacy Council. This project is funded through the Oklahoma Department of Libraries with a federal grant from the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library Services and Technology Act. Additional funding is provided by a Southwest Rural Electric Operation Roundup grant. In Lesson 1, we will be covering Welcome to Word, what is Microsoft Word, how to create a document, and write and edit. So Welcome to Word, what is Microsoft Word? With Word on your PC, Mac, or mobile device, you can create and format your document with themes, review work with track changes, polish your words with proofing tools like Editor, save to OneDrive to get your documents from your computer, tablet, or phone, and share your work to chat, comment, and collaborate with others wherever they are. All right. First, we're going to go over how to create a document. To create a blank document, all you do is open Word. Or if Word is already open, select File, and then select New, and select Blank Document. If you want to create a document using a template, open Word, or if Word is already open, select File, and then select New. Double-click a template to open it. If you need to search for a template, for example, if you don't see the type of template you're looking for on screen, or if you don't like the style of one of the templates, it's very easy to search. Just open Word, or if Word is already open, select File and then New. In the Search for Online Templates box, insert a search word like letter, resume, or invoice, or you can select a specific category under the search box like business, personal, or education. You click on a template that you'd like to see a preview, and then click the arrows on the side of the preview to see more templates of that type. And once you find a template you like, select Create. Next, we are going to cover adding and editing text. To add text, place the cursor where you want to add the text and start typing. To replace the text you just typed, or any other text in the document, select the text you want to replace. To select a single word, double-click it, or to select a whole line of text, click to the left of it, and start typing to replace the text. To format the text, select the text you want to format, and then select an option to change the font size, font color, or to make the text bold, italics, or underline. If you would like to copy that formatting to another portion of text, then select the text with the formatting you want to copy, click the Format Painter button, and then select the text you want to copy the formatting to. Next, we're going to go over finding and replacing text. Go to Home and click Replace or press Ctrl-H. Enter the word or phrase you want to locate in the Find box. Enter your new text in the Replace box. Select Find Next until you come to the word you want to update. Choose Replace, or to update all instances at once, which is all instances of that text in the document, choose Replace All. To specify only upper or lower case in your search, select More and then Match Case. Next, we're going to cover checking spelling, grammar, and more. Word marks spelling, grammar, and stylistic issues with an underline. You can right-click on the underlined word and then choose the suggestion you want, or learn more about the error and how to correct it. To do this, you can open the editor pane to address issues, by themselves or by a specific category. On the Review tab, select Check Document or Editor. It will come up different depending on which version of Word you're using. The editor pane categorizes spelling, grammar, and stylistic issues. Click each category to address the issues. Next, we're going to cover showing word count. Word counts the number of words in a document while you type. Word also counts pages, paragraphs, lines, and characters. When you need to know how many words, pages, characters, paragraphs, or lines are in a document, check the status bar. It'll be at the bottom left of the document. For a partial word count, select the words you want to count. The status bar shows the word count for that selection and for the entire document. So for example, if you selected a paragraph or a couple of sentences, it'll show you the total word count for the document, but then it'll say you have like 45 words out of 1,000 selected. So you'll see that specific word count for what you have selected. To find the number of characters, paragraphs, and lines, click on the word count in the status bar. So you will go to the bottom left of the status bar and click on the actual word count, and it will bring all of that up. Next, we're going to cover inserting hyperlinks. Word automatically turns a web address into a link when you press spacebar or enter if you typed the http:// at the beginning. If you want to link from friendly text in your document, which is a word or phrase that you already have in your document that you would like to link to a specific website, the fastest way is to start by copying the address to the clipboard. So you'll go to the web page, select the address to copy it, and then you'll go to your document in Word and select the text you want to be the link. Then you'll press Ctrl-K. And you'll paste the address and press enter. Later, if you want to change the link, just right-click on it and choose Edit Hyperlink. And you can also follow the links while editing to check to make sure they actually work. While you're editing the document, clicking a link lets you edit its display text, which is the friendly text. So if you want to change the text you have there on the link, you can do that. And then to follow the link, just press Control-click. Next, we're going to cover removing hyperlinks. Removing a hyperlink keeps the text, it just removes the link. So just right-click the link and choose Remove Hyperlink. And that is all we have for today with Lesson 1. Lesson 2, which was the next lesson, will cover formatting text. So thank you for joining me today.